Hello, my name is Olivia Potts, and today I'm going to present to you my part on the All-Star brand for marketing management. For our product strategy, we decided to go with scope strategy and diversification strategy. We chose scope strategy because it should increase our growth, our market share, and also bring positive profits. And then we also chose diversification strategy because it's supposed to increase sales, profitability, flexibility, develop, and also introduce the new product or unfamiliar products to our customers. Direct sales force, we are going to sell directly to the retail channels like drugstores, grocery stores, of course, mass merchandisers. We chose drugstores is because they consist of pharmacies that sell prescriptions and over-the-counter medicines. What the drugstores will do is that they will order the product in smaller amounts or buy the product through a wholesaler. For example, we will provide our product to Rite Aid and they will order either in small amounts or buy the product through a wholesaler. Stores, obviously their main focus is selling food products, but they also can offer some other individual items or medicines, or even have a pharmacy located in the grocery store itself. For larger grocery stores, they may go through more volumes than others than a smaller grocery store would. For example, we would have a pharmacy located in Wegmans that they can sell our product through. Merchandisers, they are large retail outlets that offer discount prices on items that have high levels of sales. Now, usually mass merchandisers will buy their product directly from the manufacturer in medium to high volumes, but the low costs attract customers, which is important in order to keep the turnover on the shelves continuous. For example, we can provide our product in Sam's Club. The indirect sales force engages in merchandising and supports wholesalers. So for the wholesalers, they will buy products from different manufacturers and then resell it to retailers. This means wholesalers do not sell to the end customer. Wholesalers rely on high volume discounts and promotional allowances. For example, we can always sell our product to eBay or even Amazon. About our pricing numbers, we just took an average of our numbers to come up with our prices. We added each period together and then divided it by the totals by 6 because of the numbers. We found that this would be our best way to represent our numbers as a result. We decided for the price of our manufacturer suggested retail price, $4.79 would be best fitted. For our volume discount, we decided 33% would be our best representation. So that would be the discount on our $4.79 product given to retailers and wholesalers. So for our advertising budget, we decided to get all of the percentages based off of our customer surveys. We found that the customers are first looking at the product that offers the benefits that they need and then trying to make a decision based off of the price. This may include a discounted or overall just a lesser price. So for our primary percentage, we decided to go with 45%. Percentage with our benefits, we decided 15%. With our percent comparison, we decided 25%. And then our reminder percent, we decided to do 15%. To promote our benefits, we decided that we would take the average of our numbers. We added each period together and then divided by a total of 6. We found that this would be the best way to represent our numbers and our results. For our promo allowance, our percentage we decided to go with was 13%. And what this includes is our distribution of free trial size packages, coupons, and point of purchase displays. Our trial sizes come in smaller packages and allow consumers to try a product before buying it. All Around did not use trial size packaging last period, but may consider this option in the future. As the name implies, trial size packaging usually contains a smaller dosage of medicine and is provided to potential customers free of charge. The promotion can be used to attract potential customers to the all-around brand. Promotion allows effects of retailers as well. Allowances can gain retail distribution, shelving facing its retail outcasts, and retail support for brand advertisements. The point of purchase was $1.8 million. This is so important is because they are focused on the customer, which usually gives the edge for what we need the customers to do to try our product. Trial size promotions are key to getting our product out there in the market and to get noticed as well. We hope that our customers will take these trial sized packages and will like the product, and then it will end up having them purchase our product in the stores. We decided our total number for our coupons will be $4.6 million. We want to do this just so they can get special discounts off of our retail price of our product, which is taken off at the time of purchase. Customers can find these coupons in flyers, newspapers, or magazines. Lastly, for our surveys purchased, we came up with a percentage of 10.6. The consumer survey consists of the following reports: awareness, purchases and satisfaction, purchase decision-making criteria used by consumers, and brand comparison based on consumers' perceptions of their ability to relieve systems. So that part of the information based off of our All-Star brands wraps up my presentation. Just to wrap up, I talked about our product strategy, our direct sales force, indirect sales force, pricing, advertising budget, promotion benefit, and survey purchase. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Olivia Potts, and I hope that you buy our brand.